Hey everybody. Um, Today is February the 15th, and it is like 8:45 in the morning. Isabella's still asleep. Today her birthday. She ain't woke up yet. But I'm about to get this laundry started. My blankets and sheets that was on the bed, cause the baby wakes milk. Then he peed again. After pull up, he only pee when he lay on his stomach. But when he laying on his back, he don't pee in the bed. But he always, laying on his stomach, and that causes him to pee out the pamper. So that's how they be happening. But he went on the trash bag and the pad. So he would have leaned on the regular sheets. I didn't know that. I guess he had rolled over, and he ended up peeing two times last night and this morning on the sheets. But I was gonna wash them anyway. But still, so I'm about to get them washed in some hot water. Um, then I'm gonna make breakfast. Isabella said she wanted pancakes yesterday, so I took the sausage out. I'm gonna make the pancakes, and that's really all I gotta do today. We're supposed to be having a tornado storm today, possible. That's what they say. A lot of them, because right now it's like 77 degrees outside. You see, I still got this long sleeve thermostat on. I just put it on. I don't know why, but it's still kind of cool in my house. But it's hot outside, and I'm worried because I got all these old trees over my house, and one always breaking big limbs and tree pieces off over my kid's bedroom, and I'm worried about that because it's supposed to be windy around 12 o'clock, real windy until 4, and that's what I'm worried about. So I'm gonna make sure they don't be in their room, and they be in my oldest daughter's room because ain't no trees over her room. But still, make sure they're not in their room when that windstorm's going on. Could have washed that blanket with it, but I'm not. I think Bella just got up because I heard somebody going to the bathroom. We ain't told her happy birthday yet. That was Bella? Yeah, that was Bella. I am making breakfast. I'm making breakfast because Bella said she want pancakes and sausage for her birthday.
You making eggs?
Yeah, I'm making eggs.
What about? Never mind.
So I'm probably gonna try to get dinner. I don't know what I'm cooking for dinner. I ain't took out no meat or nothing, but I'm probably gonna make some sliders or little sub sandwiches. I think I'm gonna make some sub sandwiches. But I ain't got no lettuce and tomato. That's the only thing. But the kids don't really be caring about that. They just want cheese and meat and the bread toasted. And I got this Subway uh, sauce. I forgot what it's called, but it's my favorite sauce. It's Subway when I used to go get a Subway sandwich. I wish I could have got all of them, but them things were high. Okay, I got that wash. Let me see what it's called. I don't know what it's called. Sweet onion teriyaki. Huh? I might make me another pot of coffee. See, I ain't got no dishes other than them bottles. But I might make me another cup of coffee. I mean, another pot of coffee, and then I'm not gonna drink. Well, I might drink some for a few days because it's supposed to be 17 degrees or 15 degrees sometime next week, and then we're supposed to have some snow. But I know we ain't gonna get the snow, but it's hey snow Wednesday. So I don't know. And my kids out of school Monday for President's Day, Tuesday for Parent Teacher Conference, Staff Development Day, and Wednesday, I got a therapy appointment. Hey, TJ. No, yeah, I got a therapy appointment.
Hey.
And Thursday, they gotta be at the dentist. Hold on, TJ want to say hey. Say hey, TJ.
Hey.
They got a what is it called? Yeah, a dentist appointment. So I'm gonna be busy, and it's gonna be cold. You boo boo. Yeah, ooh, you stink. Yeah, let me get him changed. He stink. Y'all, I just got back from the store, taking Isabella to go get her birthday stuff that she wanted to pick out. I'm pissed. TJ pissed me off in this stuff. He act a fool. We went on that toy aisle and he seen all the dinosaurs. He thought he was gonna get every dinosaur he seen. He act a fool. He cried the whole time, screaming and hollering. I'm telling him to shut up, be quiet. He still screaming and hollering. Then we ran into his bus driver. His bus driver gave him $5 to go get one of the dinosaurs. Then I went over there to get the $5 dinosaur. He didn't want them. He wanted one of the huge ones. So I wouldn't get it. He was screaming and hollering. Cause they were like $26 for the big one that he wanted. And there was a $39 one up in there. But I wouldn't get it. So he acted fool. And I just let him cry. I didn't care. And I ended up finding him some 50 cent toys, some animals, some other safari animals. So he just want to be stuck on dinosaurs. But they were safari animals like, giraffe, tiger, lion, gorilla, and all type of, little animals. They was marked down for 50 cents. So I got him like 8 of those. He in there playing with them. I ain't never seen him play with nothing else other than dinosaurs. So I'm surprised he playing with them. But he screamed and hollered in the car till we got home. I had to pull up on the side of the road and whoop him. And then we got home. He took the toys out because I told him I wasn't finna list all that crying. He quieted down. And I thought told him said what I had to say to him. He quieted down and went and sat down. And I said, pick them toys up and go up in there and play with them. He picked the toys up and then he in there playing with all of them. So he finally quiet. I'm glad because he was getting on my damn nerves. I said, whew, I don't got them and had no more kids now. I can't do it. My patience short now. My patience is short. And then I took them, they went and I got them some candy out of Walmart. And I took them to get some slushies from the gas station. They got some slushies and stuff. So, did that. We ate breakfast and all that. Then we back home, waiting on this bad weather to kick in. That's what I'm trying to go ahead and get all my cleaning and washing done. Because I got the feeling the lights is going to go out. They always do when we have a tornado warning or possible tornado or something. The lights and stuff always go out. So, I'm trying to get all this stuff done. I ran into his bus driver and one of his teachers. They said he go to school on President's Day. I thought all the schools would be closed on that day, but they said they're going to be open. So, he'll be going to school. I don't know where I put this here. Post on top of this. I just got a food stamp paper in the mail a few minutes ago. I didn't get accepted for food stamps, which I already knew I wouldn't. Talking about they need some more information. They need my mortgage information on my house, my car's information, both of my cars' information, my utility bills, my kids' cash apps, and stuff like that. Both of my kids' cash apps. And, some other stuff. So I ain't got time for all that shit. Cause I've been trying to fill out for food stamps ever since I was married, got a divorce, was separated, got a divorce, And I've been, I don't know how long I've been working. Probably about a year, 2 years or a year, I think. They still ain't gave me no food stamps, so evidently they don't want to give it to me. And then they said I need some proof of my income, or like of how much money I make or don't make or something like that. And then he said, so I gotta do that. But I don't even think I'm gonna do it. I'm tired of them. They really don't want to give it to me. Evidently they don't want to give it to me. So I'm not gonna really worry about it. I got this off-brand detergent back up in this game bottle. I only put it in the game bottle because, you know, I like the game bottle. And I can put more up in here. Bella got her some baby dolls and a baby playpen that we just have to figure out how to put together. A baby doll, yeah, I said baby doll. Baby accessories and stuff. And all that. She in there playing with that. Woo! Our old building. We post on this wash machine. Okay, got that done. Yeah, she in there playing with that stuff, so she occupied for the moment. I left my heat on, even though it's hot outside. I left my heat on. I got the ceiling fan on, but I left my heat on in the living room. I turned the big unit off on the house, but I left the heat on in the living room because if I turn it off and it's gonna drop down to 28 degrees or 17 degrees, one of them tonight, it's gonna take a long time for the heat back up. It'll take about 2 days for the heat back up because it'll be cold outside. So I'm saying I'm just gonna leave it on all day. Just turn the ceiling fan on so it won't be too hot up in there. But I ain't got no but 36 minutes on my recording. I mean my memory, so I got to delete my old videos off of there and make some room. But I'm gonna straighten this kitchen up and get all this stuff put up. Like I said, it ain't nothing but the dishes that I cooked in this morning, and the griddle that I did the pancakes on. And we had some pancakes left over. I put them in a storage bag. And put them in the refrigerator. They can eat that tomorrow in the morning or later on tonight if they want to. And I didn't take out no food for today though. Every time I make some chili fries, I said, I'm tired of looking at French fries. We've been eating fries almost every day. I'm tired of looking at fries, so I'm just gonna, I don't know. We might have to fix a sandwich or some noodles or something. I don't know. But I really don't got a taste for my French fries. I was intending to take the food out last night, but I really didn't know what I was going to. Oh, I did say I knew what I was going to cook. I was going to make them little Subway sandwiches. I was at the store and then go to the grocery store and get the lettuce and the tomatoes. I didn't want to go anyway, because I could TJ was acting the food. So if I do make it, we're just going to eat it with ham and cheese. And I'm going to toast it with, you know, a little butter on it. Put a little butter on a bun and toast it. And put mayo and all this stuff on it. And then the Subway sauce stuff. But yeah, I got their laundry going. And I don't know what else I need to do. I'm probably finna straighten up this dining room table, get all this trash out of here. Even though I took it out earlier, now the trash can't full again because Bella stuff. I'm trying to see what I can do. Yeah, clean up the stove, the counters, wash some 7 or 8 dishes in the griddle, and then I'm gonna sit down and relax for the rest of the day. I'm watching the mattress pad now. I can't never get this top on here right. There it go. I'm watching that on hot water too. I can finally go back in my room and leave out the living room with the kids in. After I put my sheets on my bed. And they smell so good. But yeah, I still ain't need the dishes yet, but I'm gonna do it. I've been sitting down playing with the kids with their toys and stuff. So I'm about to try to find me something to eat because I'm kind of hungry. Probably just find me a snack or something because I don't want to eat too much, but probably a snack. And then I'm gonna get up and clean. Y'all, me and Isabel in here finna bake some more cookies. This peanut butter, we added some chocolate chips to it and see how they turned out. I learned a new technique that I seen online, so I'm trying to see would it work. So we gonna see. But they finna ready to go in the oven. I got the oven heating up on 375. But I gotta get back to TJ because he just woke up and he whining, so I gotta deal with him. The cookies just got finished, just how they turned out. I'm letting them cool off a little bit, to harden up some. Not too hard, but you know, a little bit. And we gonna eat them.
And peanut butter chocolate chip cookies again. They're so good.
Hey, how old are you today?
I'm 9.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Okay, all the laundry just got done. I just cut this plastic bag to put over my mattress pad so I ain't gotta keep washing that every time he pee. I don't mind washing the sheets, but this thing is too hectic to be trying to keep washing. So I gotta try to figure out how I'm gonna do that exactly. I'm about to wipe this mattress off with a Clorox wipe. I think I'll use 2. I know TJ will be in here in a minute. I can't spray the mattress, the plastic, because it's tore up in certain areas, the plastic. So I don't want the product to get on my mattress. Okay, got that done. Put the top on these. I want them to dry out. It's hot up in here. I got this long sleeve shirt on. And pants. I'm burning up. Okay. Okay. It's gotta be the front. It's time for a new one because this one's still stained up at the bottom. This thing's still a little wet. This mattress pad is not quite covering up the whole bed like I wanted to, like the pad part. So I gotta figure out something.
Hi, Mommy. Why does it smell like wipes up in here?
Cause I just wiped my mattress. What I do with that
Why
pad?
you wipe your mattress?
Cause see that pee in the bed.
Like, I'm not gonna wipe.
I didn't wipe it. It's a plastic on my bed.
Oh. Sorry.
Now I'm just gonna leave this open all the way.
So big. That's not how a bag's supposed to be.
I cut it though.
Oh. Hey, Mom, we both wearing black. Sorry. How did it feel? Guys, my badge says happy birthday. Today is my real birthday. And I am this much years old. I'm 9.
Don't pull it.
Look, you can see it. It's right here. They can't see it though. Let me see. Yeah, they can see it just a little bit.
Y'all should start running out of water. Taking a bath.
Guys,
Tell Leah to run you some bath water.
okay. Guys, guess what? I got
Don't bring it in here, CJ. I'm trying to make the bed up. Hold
Lord.
on.
Guys,
Put it on the
I
floor.
have a baby doll because
Put it on the
I'm
floor.
just like, and I bought like all this stuff like baby wipes, lotion, clippers
get
for the
off the bed.
fingers. And I'm just like, I bought the baby dolls to see how parenting is. And very
Get off
hard.
the bed.
She poo-pooed and she peed. Okay, guys, bye. Scoop.
No, get it off the bed.
Mommy, it's an elephant.
I see it.
Mommy, you don't want to make this get it. Stop in the water. Oh, it's got a part. Mommy, there's quite
Man, it's
a...
hot.
Yeah. I count too.
Move your toys to Joy.
My toys? Why?
I gotta put the cover on the bed.
Mommy, there's picture back there. Mommy, there's there.
Move it.
Huh?
Move it.
Pop.
Move, TJ.
Mommy, he's the one pop.
Okay.
Mommy, he's over the bed.
Mm-hmm.
It's crowd with the bed.
Yeah.
Mommy, you get it?
Mm-hmm. All these feathers off the sheets.
Pussy. 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 Mommy. Why are you shaking? The room is full. It's raining.
Okay, y'all, I got the bed made. All I gotta do is put the pillowcases on, and I will be done. And I'm finna go take me a cool shower. Well, more likely it's gonna be a hot shower. They see you, TJ. And I'm finna upload this video. Bye, y'all. Have a good day.